While not exactly a 2D drawing tool, Push-Pull is so crucial to working in SketchUp that it's important to cover it before moving on to other tools. Push-Pull is what makes SketchUp so unique and easy to use. Simply put, it takes a face and makes a three-dimensional set of faces. In computer-assisted design terms, it's basically a prismatic extrusion tool. Let's start in top view and use line to make a trapezoid approximately like this. Orbit to an isometric view. Click Push-Pull or choose Tools, Push-Pull, or press P. To use this tool, you could click on the face, leave the mouse button pressed, and drag the face up or down. But dragging the mouse in SketchUp is a bad habit. A much better way is to click, move, click. First, click the face, release the button, and move the mouse, then click a point about or below the face to set the height. Either way you do it, the faces update dynamically while you move the mouse. Push-Pull pushes or pulls a face in a direction perpendicular to the face. It therefore creates a prismatic form. The start and end faces are the same. Use Rectangle to draw a rectangular starting from the bottom edge of the front face. When you're using a two-dimensional drawing tool on a face, the object automatically aligns to that face. We want another rectangle on this face that has the same height. With Rectangle still active, hover over the corner point shown and move the cursor to the right to place the first corner point. Click along the bottom edge to complete this rectangle. Use Push-Pull to pull out one of the rectangles, then double-click on the other rectangle. This pulls it out by the same distance you just used. Now, push the top of the trapezoid down. You can only go as far as the top of the small boxes. Use another Push-Pull to continue pushing this face past the boxes. You can use inferences while using Push-Pull. Stop at the midpoint of the edge shown or any similar edge. We will now draw two rectangles on the top of the trapezoid. Activate Rectangle again and click to place the first corner in the green direction from the corner shown. Before clicking the other corner of the rectangle, hover over this point and place the second corner point. The second rectangle will use inferences from two existing lines. Hover over the 2 points shown and click on their intersection. Then hover over the 2 points indicated to get inference lines for the second corner point of the rectangle. use push-pull to push in one of the rectangles, stopping halfway along the height of the trapezoid. To push the other rectangle in by the same distance, you could double-click it, but this can only be done when you want to use the distance of the last push-pull. If you used push-pull somewhere else, then came back to the second rectangle, the distance you want would no longer be stored. To get the same push-pull distance, click the unpushed rectangle, then move the cursor to the one already pushed. When on the face constraint appears, click to use this distance. The push-pull operations have created 4 vertical faces around each pushed rectangle. You could use push-pull on any of these faces to resize the cutout, enabling you to quickly and easily adjust your designs. You can also use push-pull to create voids. Push the rectangles all the way through the trapezoidal form, ending the operation at the bottom face. Now, pull up the top trapezoidal face. Because of the boxes in front, there are lines above the box corners, dividing the front into 5 separate faces. Erase 2 of the lines, healing the face above one of the boxes. Then push in the vertical face above the box. Draw a line to divide the top face of the box. Now, pull up the inner portion of this face and erase the extra lines. You've made a little balcony. That's going to do it for this lesson. Make sure that you label your drawing appropriately, print screen, and paste it to a Google Doc. Then add the link to our Google Classroom page. Okay, until next time, keep on learning, and we'll see you again tomorrow.